Hello, fashion lovers. We are back with a new topic that is Varli art. It's a very beautiful art. Just have a look that we have created. This design we are going to create two scenes today. One is for the wedding scene that you can see on the yellow paper, and one is for the farming scene. You can see this the routine life of a village we are creating in this because these are the main topics of early art. So let's start. So if you would ask me what the Varli art is, the Varli is a very beautiful art form that has been created by the tribal people of Maharashtra and nearby areas. This art is generally created for the decoration of their huts and houses. They do create it on the floors, they do create it on their walls, they do create it on their nearby areas or the mandaps of marriages and all. So this art is being created on the mud with white color, and this is the natural white color they do produce. And the brushes that they do use is the bamboo sticks, the chewed bamboo stick they use for the as a brushes. So let's start this beautiful form with the simple and basic motif that we can create with the generally they do create the motifs of human figurine, the animals, the birds, the nature, the huts, and the things these are nearby to these people. So let's start with the human figurine, which is the main motif. So here I am taking the measurement, just to give you an idea. I'm taking 1 centimeter for head, 1.5 centimeter, and 1.5 centimeter for the upper and the lower torso, and the 2 centimeter for the legs. I have divided this in such a way: 1 centimeter for head, one and a half centimeter for the upper and lower torso, and 2 centimeter for legs. And for the shoulder width, I am using 1 centimeter on the both side, as you can see, like this. Like now, what will do? We'll just create a cross from shoulder to hip and from shoulder to hip, just like this. A X mark will be creating. So this is the main motif that we do create with the. So let's see. You can do this with the sketch pen. You can do with this the glitter pen. You can do this with the any other marker or something, or even you can use your paint colors or the acrylic colors or something, right? So now right now I'm doing it with the sketch pen. See, first we'll create a head, because Varli people they don't create the features, so they do just create a circle, and just you have to fill this with a color. You don't have to create the facial features or anything else. A line for the neckline, for the neck, and these two triangles which we have created, we have to color these, outline them, and later we'll just fill it with the color. I'm doing it slowly because this is the first motif, and then we'll just increase the speed of the video so that a less wastage of, I know, patience. Because in live class though it's possible to have patience, but when it comes to videos, so I'm sure even I'm not that uh, good at sitting with the videos. So I hope you are liking the videos. And meanwhile, this is for the legs. Two simple lines you can create for the legs. Here you can use the technique that we have learnt in stick figures, the postures of bodies, I know, so that you can use with like this, and then the hand movements. This is the simple figurine that they do generally use. So now let have a quick review of some other figures. I have just increased the speed. The body here, I'm not taking the measurement. See, here I am creating a former lady who is having a bundle of grass on his, a dhol beat. For animals, even they do use the triangles. You can see the head, the ear, and the horns, four legs. This also we can create a peacock with the help of a triangle. Just create the dots and then the feathers. The motifs are very simple. This is all about your creativity. Here I am creating the tree. You can see I have created the branches and then the leaves and the other things. See, simple lines and the dots. That's it. See, this is the tree. Even you can create the coconut tree, that is very common in their figures. You can see a very simple process as this. Even they create some hut. Here I am creating a shed kind of a hut, which is just have a shed on a two poles. Now let's create the wedding scene. First I'll create the dolly, the base first. Very simple design. The side pillars, I'm making it wavy. Due to camera limitation, you might not be possible. It might be possible that you are not able to see the silver color because I'm using the silver color for the outlines. So I hope you will be able to see this. If you are finding it proper, so please let me know through comment box. See the top of the dolly, and now we'll just fill this with the green glitter pen, or you may use as per your design, or you may use as per your colors. No foundations in this art because this is a tribal art, so they have some basic rules, basic figurines and all, but you have a complete liberty, and you have a complete space for the creativity that you can use. Here I'm highlighting this with the golden and the green, and that's it. So now we'll create the bride, same with the help of triangles, but just we have to change the stick, because see, you can see how it's look like. Now we'll create the kahars who they are holding the dolly. Simple figures that we have discussed in the basic motifs. Hands, they holding the handles of this palki, and that's it. Two kahar we have created. Here I am creating a lady, court ladies kind of a, who is holding a fan in her hand. Simple figure, one hand, legs, and then we can create a design of fan. This is very common motif in Varli art, which you can see. Here I am creating a male figure who is blowing the bigul or the shehnai, you can say. Hello. Here I am making a saxophone type of a bigul, I would say, like this, and then hands. Here I am making a dholwala man, a person with a drum, because we are creating a wedding scene, so we have to give some instruments and the all dancings and all. This we can create a dhol. You can see this is very simple art, but very attractive to see. If you will create some simple you can say painting out of this, and if you will gift someone, so you will get lots of appreciation. And even in fashion art, in embroidery patterns, in print patterns, it is very useful, and you will get the appreciations when you will design using this particular art. So here I am making a lady holding a flag at the end of the this ceremony. Now we can create the ground with the green pen. I am making this. I am just creating some small bushes, small plants, grass, that kind of. It will complete the picture actually. See, now you can see a scene of Bidai. Here we will be creating a groom. So for that, here we are creating a horse, rather it is a mare. The body, the head, 2 ears, and then the fawns and legs. The tail, and will create a fabric or the you can say cover. If you will observe the designs of Varli, they are very simple and very non-technical kind of designs, very simple and beautiful. Here we have created the groom. Now we just give him the control of horse. Here we are making a umbrella which is being held by a man sitting on the horse backside. See, at very front we are making a lady holding a flag, because at the end we have created a flag, and then we'll just join these two strips and it will take a shape of beautiful painting. Here I am making a dancing lady, pose maybe any. I am making a very simple pose of dancing like this. Here we are making a chariot who is carrying a drum, and two men are this is the drum, and now we'll create two figures. As you can see, I am changing the sticks of the figure. I am changing the postures of the figure uh, by bending the center line, by changing their legs positions, by changing their hand positions and all. So that you can do with on your creativity. It's very simple to do, but very tricky. Once you are well versed with this, you can create a lots of scenes with this. So now we'll just create the ground like this. So this is all that we have created the first scene, that is the wedding scene. Now let's create a village scene. First I'll create a tree We'll create some branches. It's up to us. No fixed point. Here I'm creating a colorful kind of a scenery. So green leaves I'm creating, like I'm taking one line and then ending it with a dot. See the shape. I'm in love with this art. Just have a look how beautiful it is and how simple it is. And now I'm creating a peacock. Simple, very simple and very impactful. Now I'm creating a lady who is holding a bundle of grass on her head as she's coming from the field. Along with her, a child is there who is also having, who is also holding some grass in hand and a tool to cut the grass. A man who is holding the bamboo with the tiffin or something. Here I am creating a two ladies who they are grinding the spices or something like, or who they are just grinding something like. And we'll end this with the coconut tree. If you have never tried this art, I would request you to try it once. It is very satisfying art and it will definitely give you a wow feeling when you'll complete this like this after ground and flowers and everything. Now we'll create the second part of this scene, a well with the simple basic shapes. We are doing all this. Now we'll create a figure who is fetching the water from the well. I have given a little bend to her because the requirement was like that only. One more figure we are creating, a lady who just had the water from the well and she's going back to home with three pictures along with a child. And here I am making a tree at the end of this, and this is just like a banyan tree. One more figure I am creating here, a lady who is just separating the husk from the grains. A cradle for the children. Two children are sitting on this. They are enjoying, and one child is waiting for his or her turn. And now final touch with the ground, and see, this has been completed. And if you really want to have a look to the entire strip, I'll just give you a look. Just have a look how it will look like after joining. Just see the beauty and simplicity of the designs. Admirable, really admirable. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this art form, and I really hope that you will try some on your own. And if you want to show it to me, you can send it to me through my Facebook or through my email ID. Links are into the description. Thank you very much.